Illustration regarding yoga. There prevailed many misunderstandings and illustrations about yoga, even though yoga is a very important subject. Yoga is not for common people, but only for sadhus and saints. Yoga is a supreme divine subject, यानी कि सुपर ह्यूमन बींग डिवाइन सब्जेक्ट. Yoga means only asanas and pranayam. Yoga means only type of exercise. Yoga means only medicines, medical diagnosis and treatment methods. Yoga is a religious communal subject. Yoga is a subject of reading discourage. Yoga is for beauty. Yoga is a type of miracle. So these are all the misconceptions of yoga. People had lots of misconceptions regarding yoga and its importances. So now let us find out what exactly yoga is. Now this is a topic of the last previous episode chapter which I had done. So let's get through it in detail. Many illustrations. Due to this type of many illustrations, we were deprived of the benefits of yoga for a pretty long duration. Now again, there is awakening. Yoga are frequently arranged. People organized everyday practices of yoga at certain places. People are seen performing asanas and pranayam in public gardens also. But in fact, yoga is science to understand mind and body. Such a pure scientific approach is needed to be assured instead of the narrow approach. Yoga is merely a physical exercise by making comprehensive and deep efforts even now. Thus, yoga is such a joyful physical arrangement that gives our body sound health without any spiritual development. So, in short, yoga is very well performed. Nowadays, you can see people performing yoga in garden areas also, in specific places also. And yoga is basically a both mind and body development exercise, which even the science are taking interest in such a subject. Benefits of yoga: disease and strength as well as peace and calmness to the mind, and that thereby perhaps the individual yoga is a science of both body and mind. Hence, it is achieved welcome and scientific appreciations all over the world. World Health Organization, that is the WHO, has emphasized yoga training as an important link of physical and mental health. Intelligence is naturally developed through every practice of yoga. Physical cleanliness, health and peace and achievement of natural by practicing yoga with the community along with studies. Science is understood through experiments. In the same way, yoga is entailed experiments. It is a subject of experience. Quality like faith, discipline, service, willpower, etc., are very well essential for achieving the knowledge of proper yoga. So, let us get some more information. These qualities get developed in us naturally by observing yam and niyam to the practice of yoga. Our pran, that is the breath, should be strong enough also, along with the enthusiasm and desire of achieving knowledge. Pranayam makes pran strong, hence, pranayam should be performed daily. The nervous system is a very important medium of achieving knowledge. Affection of nervous system depends on the flexibility of the spine. The spine becoming flexible by performing asanas. We have to study with our mind completely concentrated for achieving knowledge. That is, we have to make our steady mind calm and concentrated. Meditation should be practiced daily for concentration of the mind. Spiritual joy is also experienced through meditation. So, in short, by following the yam and niyam, you achieve a lot of advantages in the practice of yoga. In the present time, manifesting having made physical comforts and conveniences available, even the physical illnesses and mental stress and strain have also increased due to hurrying and hasting after physical things without any understanding. The royal road to get release from all these disorders situations is yoga. Performing yoga and keeping fit, yoga is very important and useful subject. Even then, if it is accepted without any understanding, unfavorable results may occur. In then harm rather than benefits. Yoga is subject of direct experience instead of reading and lectures. Hence, internally, yoga should be practiced under the guidance of an expert. So, in short, if a person does not have the understanding of performing yoga in a proper manner, problems can come. Yani ki, as it said here, even harm, yoga can cause harm if it is not practiced under a proper expert. So I hope all of you have got the right understanding of this first chapter. This is according to your textbook. So if you have the textbook, better you read it and go through this chapter. Have a nice day.